Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our free weekly video report for Wednesday, October 14th, 2015. Sorry I couldn't get one out last night. I was actually at a dinner. So let's get started. One thing real quick, we put out a report yesterday to the premium members, and Woody put out an update today, and I can't give you guys all the information because we have paying members that have this and they really wouldn't be too happy. But what I've done in the past is I've given you warnings and said, there's important time frames that are coming, and then actually showed you the dates afterwards, and you've seen the points. It's well over 400 points that has been tallied up in the S&P. I'm giving you that warning again. Now, don't assume it has to be on the downside here. So Woody's been doing this for 40 years, and it's he's the one that knows how to predict what is going to be playing out. He knows when things change. He knows what to expect, and that's why he's been able to do this for 40 years, and some of the largest institutions in the world have hired him to give the market guidance that he does. So he's able to predict the markets. They're very predictable on a short-term basis, and it's what he's calling the Dorsey code, and the markets have been following it, but things do change. We were looking for a low to come in on 10.6 to 10.9. We had already dropped 140 points in the S&P, something that I was telling members through the video reports was that you don't have to be short. If we're expecting a low to come in on the 6th or the 9th, use it as a buying opportunity. I got caught holding on to a small short position at the time. I was a little angry at myself because I was telling them not to be married to the short side, even though we had a beige hole low coming in on the 6th and the 9th. The market bottomed early, but it topped exactly when it was supposed to, and I'm going to show you this right here. It was 917 was the top. So we had the big drop. We were just expecting the low to come here, and like I said, the markets had something else in mind, and it went straight up. Now, we were expecting a massive, massive short covering rally. It just came a couple days early, and it's not fun when it doesn't come right on the time, but it was something that was relayed to people. But obviously it wasn't relayed enough because, like I said, I got caught on the short side, and it wasn't. I wasn't happy at myself just because of I'd made a ton of money on the move down, but yet it didn't really look at this as the bounce that was going to stick, and it kept going, and that happens. But we the kill zone was pretty much predicted right on the day. The beige hole was predicted on the day. Now, are we going to have a black hole, or is it going to be a golden halo? That's really what is going over, what he goes over in this report. And this one was 240 points, this one was 140 points. Do we have another 140 points up? Do we have another 140 points down? That's what we're going to be going over, and there's going to be some volatility in this market. But we if I just show you the sentiment piece of it, we have we have high sentiment readings. But the thing is, and this is something that Woody always says, that it's not sentiment alone that gives you the overall blueprint as far as what's going to be playing out. It has to be interpreted, and from there we use the technical aspects of things to see where things may turn, where they may top, where they may bottom, and that's how we put everything together. So we do have high sentiment readings there. We either have a black hole or a golden halo that is pending. Beige hole already came, kill zone already came. And that's really what I can give you as far as some of the insides of what we're talking about now. On the regular technical aspect, the S&P is trading within this big wedge right here. It's right at the bottom of it. We have some bullish divergences right at some support. If it breaks it, the bulls probably have to hold this 1973 area. If that breaks, then most likely we are making the next move. Now it's either going to be going up or down from there. And what I mean by that is either we're going to come down and then rally, or we're going straight down. And that's where I'm saying black hole, golden halo. So this is really the information that we're going over in the report right now. And like I said, the pattern, it appears very, very bearish right now because it's a bear flag ABC move. We have bearish divergences on the 60-minute chart, but we have bullish divergences on the 15-minute chart. And again, technicals, they run behind what with Woody's interpretation of what the market's going to be doing. So I know what to expect going forward. We know where to possibly be buying. We know where to possibly be shorting, and that's what we're going to be looking for over, it could start as soon as tomorrow. It may take a few days, but, there's a big move that's going to be pending, and it should be, fun to trade. That's probably the best thing about it. So if you guys are looking to trade with confidence, with sentiment secrets as well as technical timing secrets that nobody else has, with somebody that's been doing this for over 40 years. We're doing the $74.99 for the first 10 spots, or first 10 subscribers. After that, it is going to get raised to our price at the $99.99 price. So if you're interested, you can click on the link below. We are also giving away the free Markets Path membership. I charge $79.99 a month, so it's a $960 value. Give nightly video reports, morning notes, email alerts. We have a trade room. So this is free. As long as you remain a member of Sentiment Timing, we give you this. Everything's automated on it. And with that, like I said, there's some interesting stuff that's going to be coming. Make sure you are trading the right side of the market. And until next week, have a great night.